Hey, my name is Sarah. Wardrobes are super easy to upcycle with just a lick of paint. So let's get to it. First up, we're going to remove the handles, hinges and hanging rail from the wardrobe. If your wardrobe has any holes or unwanted markings, it is a great time to use a wood filler to patch them up. We don't need to in this instance, so we're going to jump to the next step. To remove any colours, stain or varnish from your wardrobe, you'll need to sand it. To start off with, I'm putting a 60 grit onto my sander. I'm then going to slowly transition up to a 120 grit that I'll use for a final pass. Before we paint, it's always good to apply an undercoat. This will help protect our timber and will also help prevent any old stains or varnishes from seeping through into our top coat. Now that the wardrobe and doors are undercoated, it's time to paint. We've gone for a dark blue, but you can choose whatever colour you'd like. When painting, it's good to apply thinner, even coats and then build up. To complement our navy wardrobe, we're going to add some touches of gold. First up, we're going to undercoat this hanging rail so that the gold sticks to the surface. The next step is to secure our gold brass handles. This will really pop against the paint colour. For an added feature, we're going to add some patterned wallpaper to the inside of our wardrobe. Wallpaper can be applied dry from the roll. Simply place the wallpaper on the pasted surface, smoothing as you work your way from top to bottom. And there you have it, a beautifully upcycled wardrobe for your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.